Because our Kente festival ase. Because our Kente festival ase no. Sa da no me kono na me was hospital. I was suffering from this depression. So I was on admission in UKA. It is called Eppendorf Cranking House. I hope that my voice you can hear me well. And now me here then me quite a hospital for some time. Most of you have witnessed me severally dancing from the hospital. Me have videos every hospital. Me and I'm every hospital, and you have been seeing it all this while. Until no time soon I was a program me kwasano. Me yes I come in when I'm say oh sa nipa na organize program no me oni me akasa sa in the time so na man kwa obe feel disappointed. And I'm sorry and I'm call program na say. It's me go do program na say me call no me cram me doctor. I'm talking about a psychiatric hospital. It's me call no and me call cram me doctor say a program be as na me kwa kosa. And I'm say oh okay, if that makes you happy, you are free to go, but don't come after 12. And I do 12. Mommy not bonting ma 12 embo me. Michael says, Auntie Joyce, forget about them. But I really love you so much. Please, can I get your contact? And I me yeah then. Because our program na say. Because our program na see we yeah. I me kono. Inti me go do program na say no na papa bia en ho say osha na ogina program no ogina entrance no inti me ya say oh okay kwan be na me fa so a me sante me ko normally sa program na ya omo chepa so I decided to oh mo am send messages I say mo na me ni papa no a wa en ho say osha na ogina ho no me ni ko kasa I say de be ya obema performing them. So I spoke with him and na on MC no ekokasa say nipa no ba beto nyum no asa no o si opese oye ntem na okọ nti o convince no and na omoye de o ma me sae nti no me ya nti me dia me kwotesa me ho no me ya so ne kwa kwotesa me ho biom na papa di mechi ya samoti ase nti no me ya se me kra ne se me ko no si me si me kwan na me si me ko hospital. Until I made Pentamarcosan. I was the hospital and I'm yes. And I'll be some say, what is wrong with you? You don't look sick. He asked me, why are you going to the hospital? You don't look sick. And I told him, sir, it might not be the kind of sickness you are thinking of, but I am not well. In that moment, I couldn't explain to him, sir, I had depression. And I'll see you. And then he told me, sir, he's going to talk to somebody. Emilia Kosia says we are seriously listening. And Kwejo Emmanuel says I'm watching you live from Spain. Thank you for watching. And only my baby kokasa say me see me call Eppendorf bet me drop me ana. And woman ka so oh ni kwan end Eppendorf. And then he said okay, he's going to see me off. So he walked with me down to where I was going to pick the bus. But he didn't walk with me straight to the bus station. And I'm not lying against this man. You see the egg and the drink that I hold here? It is not a joke. Don't joke with covenant. When people are speaking and they are using eggs and drinks, believe them. I wouldn't get anything to lie against somebody. And I'll go jam me crying. Oh, me kono and on the phone and mommy say, sexy girl, drop your number. Sexy girl, drop your number. Kobe says, watching you live from New York. You got a pretty eyes. Thank you so much. So I dropped my number for him and I said bye-bye. I left. Days later, he contacted me. He came to the hospital to visit me. Me person story in the bed tin. I'm walking ma. It's remwa. Some more time will be a time with whatever reason you have. But if you don't know a story, don't conclude. If you don't know a story, don't conclude. Me mani besra me hospital wana me da the direction am the man no besra me. Obesram your hospital. And you could eat ice cream. Later, we met several times. Abrochire. Normally, so being in krata. What they do is that Ushiana Obeka Cho say or krata. Say the bear as a person do juma, no way do juma. The person use no way use. When I met this man, there was nothing in my mind say krata. Because me ni me lawyer e discuss about depression na me femuno. Na Ghana, depression e drone any health insurance so. Me lawyer ka kire me say health insurance na depression e drone na any health insurance so Ghana. Na no kra no enough reason say odebema say me ko Ghana me nya sika nto edro depression e drone eno. So okasa ohia other doctors report. You understand? So with all this no I will meet you say, okay, me person me nya sitting Germany. But in Yanumu ni adofo, a war was not part of my plan. Obe biani adi ope. Obi oha ope so betina brochire. Sabi sika kakra se owu a edema wonti no. Obe wo bebre na ne madi nechi bebre na wonye sika bebre. That was not my dream. Having babies in Germany has never been my dream. It wasn't my dream. Apart from that, you know, a man be brave to quiet. On person who have cars in Kolam when me fepao. Mishia Bronia or sign ma me bano. Mishia no fit the year 2017. 2017 na Mishia pape. Me jan hoko Ghana e bae e koye e bae. Ni nyina no sanka me pesa me wa akade bia se de opeme no aka me ni beda saa kopem da menyem. But me should be din and me see me ready for a war. Sa broni a meka na se me nyonu kwa ni broni a na o makwan mu. She sa uti abrochire na we didi aye cheko. Na enu tumi na mkronkra mema anya osese ya. Me Joyce, me hu nya abo me ho so. Ma mo friend mu njai wai. Time is one, mo be free. Please stop it. And you are calling video. Who is calling video? Oh. Samuti afie. Samuti Hamburg ha. Na mo di fufuo aye cheko. Sebe nya mu nyina. Na so fin say, wona mo krom, wonya be ma papa bia ma ne nya o say, hello sweetheart, beautiful girl. Enti no fin so bia na mo krom asa dia. Sorry to disappoint you. Me oba bia our expiring date. Oba bia our expiring date. Samuti afie. Enti no me expiring date no enje bia be che me. Tisi ana menya 33 no. Enje bia na expiring date na be che me na for na ni de nya nche me. Enti mema ehu enya me na. I am not in a situation where I don't get men to propose to me. Those calling, please. When it's time for you to call, I'll let you call. Enti no abronfo no do o ka me di me number mo bi mi wi ana masam block ni pa no. Enti se me pese me ni broni wu a aka ma ba brochire German ni broni na me ne be wo am de nya krata ba me se me mpa awo. Awo na me mpa no nti na me ya me ba ni esi me nkwa na masa fa me ba na me san ko Ghana. Eho no me pese be tintintin. Mi share papa no ka chem se o epeni mu onpe ba. Wana Shasha, or say you remember the day we meet when I advised you. Hey, how are you and your English? Somebody has here. Some me ba brochira baba pa awo no. Na ma wo no. Means who don't who come here na ma nyinsen. It's in me protect me ho pa. All this while I didn't want to have a child. All this while I didn't want to have a child. Oh, Kingsley, I beg you, okay? I beg you. Please take care of her for me. I beg you. Please. Somebody has here. This I want me pa. Aka broni fita. Na ma wo have cars fe na me da to me nan so. Nya daki na me ne ko. Nya daki na ka me pesa me ne wo. Okay. Me shia papa no. The way oba me ha. Oba fa me free hospital. And he knows I'm telling the truth. I'm not lying. I never lied to him. Someone say na my brother but here no. Me bia da Facebook. Abrofo me na for abrofo ina mo nim say dem tie on Facebook. Omo penny sa no mo pe sa they are still my friends. Omo penny sa no they can go their way. me age, me Facebook, everything. Me fancy. Me di papa ni share no. Me HIV programs am ye ni amani huna me fe mu nyina. Nye se bia papa no enim bibia about me. E no oye den obeto amani emu se me dem ya amani enti obi de ne hu bebeta e bebata me a. Chese wa beto amani emu enti yen fa ne saa. Chese onim me hu bibia no beto amani emu. Ma fa ne saa. I told him everything about my HIV programs, all the things I'm doing on Facebook. He knows everything. I don't hide my personality from anybody. Because somebody say, well, and I mean, free me, I will not get anything from it. Somebody I say, good. This man visited me several times. He will pick me from the hospital and he will bring me home. And after we have done whatever he wants to do, then he will go and drop me back in the hospital. Or before be free hospital, I be now I sound the meko. That could be a buy and the chair pa. After near about 12, now boy 11 upon not next for us at a frame. I'm with be sending them the from Mensa for biz do. From Mensa for biz do. Me ain't fan me woman brass is here because about 12 I mean to me around hospital because I was on admission. And now, me yeah then. Papa nurse ni ni friend me sa na me say dey nya ni temwe. E na ye ni tentem, na o she na taade. E na okosi me at hospital. Na say mu a me wo ye no. Papa no be sra me no. Papa no e be sra me no. O make you one allegation. This allegation is one of the reasons why me person me din kosua ene nsa me di ye ne program we. Na say me wo your bae or making one comment. The comment or making any say or say me di edro na me di aye no na sisi ade edro na titi efini ni so. Odo sa na atwa da panye sa. Ase me di edro na aye no. Na edro no atiti efini ni so. Sisi ano he can see me clear. Papa sa wo hwe me a. The person me ma oti ase say edro a de pe bema minim se de tie. Edro a efe ni juju. Juju a de pe bema mi fa meni ehu bida. Sanka yo mbi wo magical powers na se magical powers bi o baby a aka mekwa ko fasa powers no na maka de also be ke bia gusu na me de akọ Ace Commission na me ko do Ace Commission ho a na me use sa powers na me de agim sike bia ka bia o mo de me aka me fa powers no na me tina brochire. Papa, I don't know how you see yourself. Probably you think you are the most handsome man on earth. You think you are the only man on earth who is working. All the rest are jobless. You think, sir, I don't know how to describe you. Me the respect in your mouth, but wait. I was trying to protect you, do everything, but wait. Also, me Joyce, me the drone a year. I won't be surprised. Maybe I when I saw phobia, I was asking you usika. When you so phobia comedy na obefa phone afro catch us girl na na we dey do or dey drone here and as how you crab see me afro bi am na be fro aka nche say me dey drone here papa enumre aha me ti ndase ma oti ase say mi papa fie Togo bosum esi ho na mi nko ho ego hu se bosum no we bie na no po e kasada na neni no we say we bie neni ama me hu say we bie. You know, when you watch Nigerian movies, sometimes when they want to do this kind of magical powers, you know, this juju they do, when you watch the movies, sometimes you see that the juju has opened their eyes, they open their eyes, and you see some things flying in the air, and you see vroom, vroom, and all those kind of powers. When I go to my father's village in Togo, and I go to the shrine, I have never witnessed such a thing. Nko baby anso enkwaji edro bia enfanya bema bia da. Papa asama mi ken. Sa wo hwe me anase sa wo tie mi a. Mikita mi nsem nkosua. Papa, mikita mi nsem nkosua. Me ye driver, me pe driving. Mi nsem shinap, mi nsem ensa. Nkosua nie, ensa nie. Me Joyce, if you say wo me ba asase so, 33 years of my age. Me mfa bema bia nko edro so da. nanso me be say me mouth ase say me de obi akwaduro so da ana say me de wumpa akwaduro so da eduro ku a me de wo course no me de nkosua ebo ho na me de hwe insane gu so a saa duro no enhimase nyina saa duro na makwakoji a me de ye mema no say no cross me joy my ye bibi saa da me de nkosua ebo ho na me hwe insane gu so a saa eduro no enhimase fo nyina say eduro no entorment me I should never be successful nkosua ni nie insano na me hwe gu so no medical ka chem say nkosua eye life nkosua ejina ho mankwa nkosua wo de bo ho a na say wo kan sem gu so a eye ho me si nipa ntrase me nipa dodo na mpema asem enti no bebre na ya omadwen say ena munim say asem a meka na ye nekre na so say ya boye ti won pose ye pese ye say me ti no me no kre bia aye nkwase asem me no kre bia meka bia aye ntro e di manipa enti no me di nkosua na bo ho me hwe nsa na egusu se me di obi akwaduro su da me di be me bi akwaduro su da so on mepe me joyce a se me nam kono a ka mbo me na me wu se ma ye bibi sa da se me di eduro e na me di cham me wo na bepe me a sa duro no ense ma brabo sa duro no enku me fast atati fast as so de me kan say what you say I have never thought evil for anybody. I have never for once ever thought evil for you. Never. Never. They draw some near fancy ho. Papa, when him say, I wasn't ready to have a child with you. I wasn't ready to have a child with you. So when him say, inti no me no die no, when me die no, sa da na me catch me and me be ma no catch say, eh, me nya safe o, e na wo yi sika €50. Wo wie ya wo sha wata ade a wo kɔ no. E na wo yi unsem sika €50. E na wo say je na me say ma catch say oba ha enche me sika. It's not really nice. E na wo catch me say, e drone na wo so kwa kɔtɔ no. Obi say Nana Ofori said that is not how it is done. There is no formula to a diabo. And I'll dear me and cry diabo. Me can't some. And yet diabona me, but me can't some. So as some make an as some new crana maker, and yet diabona me bo. And this our can't someone. The old thing so ya a yama no bet me aye. And you know, say, I never wanted to have a child with you. Empo, se me lo abeka chere me say. Bibia I say na de metumi aya ne se mewu a anka mini bro ni fita madam fo bro ni so no po na me mpe na anka fofofo ho a omo so mujira mu na se pa anka metumi ni o mada na me si me suro se me wu a maye kese me si me suro se me wu a maye kese enti na me mpe se mewu no se what ya see enti na me ko to edro no Hobanov me ko to edro no Hobanov am fa no receipt no e da so da ha I will be phone to me child receipt and I'm the child say kawakuma to yem na edro no mafa you fin say my babro chiri and I'm chasing crofok no say omunja omo yiri mo mbe ware me na mo nim say mpran twe e desin aware and I'm nim mo am sorry na my video he say and na papa no nja ni yiri mbe ware wo nja ni yiri mbe ware wo. Have you ever seen in any of my videos I make say papa no me person ware me? Have you ever heard me say anywhere say papa no I can't share me so ko jani aba be ware me ana? Never. Never. The ka say mako akere mu. Na insana mi hwe gugu so ane so waka say me bo na insa wa no mo so awobo. Hey. She's so crying, eh? This girl. Baby, I'm in school. Certificates that ho. You're baptizing me. Certificates that ho. I don't lie about anything. I don't lie about anything. In person, in common bear tin. Yan catty near Fambra. Sama me wo ye. Because a draw me fire no. Mini papa ni die no. A draw na me fire no. Nanka and what's a minium. It's minion say no. Me file phone. I don't know because I'm little or by me have a srammy. ye de be ye bibia wie no oko no ohun se nya na maye basa because na medical ko hospital ama aka chem se menyim na mitumi nka enche no nti okodu fi ansa na ni send ne WhatsApp message e ka che ne se menyim o and make a chain is sending him. And I say, how? And I'm seeing Minimo. Minim quite fast on you sending by. And I'm catching and say, Madame Fubronina me can ask them tread no. Minina be bidda. But that was in March 2019. March more than I'm near BB. April, May, June. By 2 to 3 months and son and Michelle. Now me call a scan, so I'm catching him you say nearly 6 weeks. Now 6 weeks, no say me calculate time many body ni BBA. And I don't know, and then maybe there's a mix up somewhere. And why not catch him say me go in say no. And I'm see me. Me pet na so aba nti aba me yi. Nti be kasa we entim. That was the beginning of our problem. Me keep in say no, me yin say no. Me call hospital and me call wo ye no. Akola ne ba fita. Very white. Me nyan to boasie na me friend me nam for catch me say ma wo have cars. Onu amu me friend catch ni say ma wo have cars. Na me sure say me ni bro ni no ye bi benu nyin say na e bi atete ho de dada. Ni be fie. Eni 1 month ni pona kwa ni kala start say esisa. Ta kwa ni kala start say esisa no. And I me send you message say bra akwala na ne kala na asate sisa no me nye sure say I have cars me frɛ wo wamba e che yansa na wo ba ye na wo say and ye enkoye DNA test and I me ye me hwehwɛ appointment and I me ma information say me nya hospital bi a ye kwakoye DNA test no and I ye koye DNA test no e di 1 week ipo na result ni ba ye and na result ni positive che say ye wo and na wo akwala ne papa. And I see here ben den I'm seeing a brief ni enkasa wo be fie na bisa say tie ben den titi ana akwala no we hu sa akwala ne oba no ye nsisa nko wudi mu ana because na boni di kan sign ma me ansa na me wo boni ni di kan sign ma me ansa na me wo ye se bia me wo ye ansa na boni ni kwakọ sign o krom asa wonyi mu a obi betimi e di kan kwakọ sign ma se akwala ni me ba ansa na wawo yinsi ni mu na boni ni kwaye den e ko sign ma me enti oba ye no and I'm sisi obese ye ni den and I will catch me say woni oyire e ware okrata so enu nti no si esisa akwara ni din ediko odin mu a ebe den ebe how esan say oyire be hu saba ko wo abontin nti no enye possible and I'm since ebe ni den and I'm say okay so wo suro sa oyire beti dia endie broni ni ya madamfo opemasem akwara no ni din be koso ada broni ni din mu se de be ya oyire entise wakowo Ghana for sanga papai mi sheda sa mi ni bawo secondly and I say me pesa akoja na ebe ware mi a anka bra me wo ye no sa bra na wo se mi ye dede na obi ehun se me na wo se de be ya anka ni ebe jai no Kumasi Van Dam says the Obroni let some in but it wasn't him who dey somebody as here good I Joyce Mensah was trying to cover up for this man. Mi video na asha se mi di kan ka se ade ankrofo eya omodi omuti ekoye no de bia me de makuma na me de ye me de makuma koya me de makuma take decision na then they will let me down I'll be heartbroken then I'll come making noise on social media me be de den so be ka se girl we de bia so be sisi no Samoti asiye. Ena me ye den. Me ka kire wo se, wo de akofie. Akola no, well nim say oba. Na mmom no, ye nsisa ne din enko wodin mu. Say de be ya, you will continue to enjoy your marriage without any problem. Hamburg mba. Amuye dede. Ena the man will not leave his wife oh. Ena the man has gone to compensate his wife. Akopata ne ye, wakoye birthday. Wakoye say Ma mo friend pamucho pa he munjai mi biela ni tumu a na ma frɛ why I have to cut you Mama abrochi se beji obi kuno. Medika nka se empranchie desia ware. Nti ware kura se mre de mempe. Ebi amenyina me bo abrewa me ware. But say dey I'm not even thinking about marriage. Somebody dey make no. And you say papa no onja na yire me ware me. Onja na yire me ware me. Akopata na yire. Sa woni wo girlfriend enya asem. Na we dwane akakoshe wo yire chi a. Na akopata wo yire anu so news e wo so di send wo di video send am for so mo fan send me. The person me bo video bi kire mo. Last year asem ne baaye no. Dia ma me ni nua no. Na be kikaye. Ya wakota kola ni din. Wo be share date. Eno kwa no me sama me email address. Because I was trying as much as possible to protect you. Nti me catch you say, sempo se BBC e wo fie na se went me an frame your phone so a. Frame me and I say send me an email say bia say ni. Ba mba de me ceremony no. O block him, ya me kwa na block him you. O block me mama, block him Mr. Fa besi ne. Still I block you mo. Mpeni for me invite omo de bad na se besi ne o block you omo no. They say wait me pan from man can patch us they say ni am free one I block you omo. Such a disrespect. Meaning say respect is reciprocal. So be sure respect trewa. Now so man respect. But they there so be more respect. Now o man the opposite side. Be do baby ni pan be fed up. Before I talk about compensation or compensating you know, you show video we. But say me come video. Oh, the video is not playing.
Joyce Jifamensa, Ghana is a ambassador no Hamburg no the baby about Facebook so will be a comment. People are feeling pity for her. It's not pity. It's not. She's hiding a lot of things. The man is a married man, one. The man has a beautiful family. On any rate, they don't have any problem. This girl, only Obian himself, only blown in a way. Manka someone judge us in it.
Mom, friend, then this program I cannot do it too. It's okay. A lady when you video, me and Bomani see. Money na more Facebook ha. Let me ceremony as we see you know. Mami, let me number e ma ni nua bai. Papa ni yire no. E yi me number free ni kunu phone so. E de ma ni nua ba we. Oya me hu video di ma tempoto. My reply omo. Nya video nkwa no mo ye. O de me phone number my sister yi. Last year, o friend me di ma tempoto. Mankasa. Mu de ma mo hu se woni wo kunu no mu nti social media so. Na emom mu de ntokwa ne besuma ya ba beku ama mo. Ya beku mo na me be yi anu a yakase Joyce na enye. Na papa ni pe social media. On pe social media, ade na ode a secret emma obi. Na ne pani da ba be di matem social media. Oni social media so. Nanso for a number de ma me se me fra sa number ne nko ano. Or the some information we nyina ma obi. Ama ne pani de be di matem social media. Apata oyire. That is not my problem. Why videos? What's man e da send me say me hwe. Na afi na modo aso. Odo, waso trying. You share video no pa. Mami, someone said na wa phone video ni mo. Wa sa wig bi na udiko butu uti wa diko se birthday party o se den yo. Ah, why wa no fia se opro. Why we nim kitikiti ai wa no fia se opro. Ah, wa phone. The enti a wo phone no. Bi wi ama be catch amanfo. Someone said wa phone video ni mo. Enya oferi ambo say Charles aka no video ye dey send amanfo. Say make up tan bi a oyeye. Ah we nim tum. Yes black is beautiful. Na see the why we nim a odi ba sa program na se no. Na eye me wamapo. Ya talk am out. Enti no infantifo emma omugu Facebook. Ya be tie program. Infantifo ma omugu Facebook a omutumi like they give advice. Omuka nyansa asem ni ade. Na me hu se infantifo ma omunim nyansa pa. Na wo ma me we wusu jimi de me hu bi da. Wusu jimi a we jimi. me hu bida sa obema beja oho ni oba fufura akwakoda owi abecha hontro se me se obeka me letter ma me wo breko a ukru onim se me da hospital oba hospital wo be famine di me akodi ice cream oba hospital wo be famine di me akodi Chinese dan be yakoto Chinese food ni ya be fie ode wan ya ba ni yedidi wi ani yedi owi a na wa dan ho abeka cho se me meboa onpeme enti no na wa kwakoto car abrochire upo car obeto. You don't need physical cash to buy a car. Emu nya so benya sika the whole of the money to buy a car. Na ya akwakoye birthday party amount is akola we 2 years. Na ya talk aka ho. Then you think you are on top of the world. Where Jimmy? Madam. Me say sebi tu juma na akoye ye no. Ashawe juma na akoye no Hanover. Me say ya fa otirimu. Because ohun bon hu so a me ti we me otumi vasa de we nya mi o. Me ti we. Na ma ware na me kuna fa mechi. Na oni obi aka ko wo na ba be ka chem se nipa no kra na me pen na odi dro na ye mi o se den enti besi na me koto ka ma na me fa pata na wo jimi oba we jimi se de hu bi da we ni mu fia wa no se opro wa hu se de da no ba ha no abrewa umbu woni mame ya epe obi a we ukwa konya 60 we nya 55 se den wo dan mi ba fie ho no utiri mu nyina efu white obi nyi a blessing obia enya ya nka obia benyi na wenya gray hair na me say gray hair na kaya wisdom me ba the first time me ba fie ho a obi epun ma me a me hu no utiri mu nyina efu white. Another time me hu no akwa dye uti yellow. Madam, you are not a young girl. You cannot compete with me. You cannot compete with me. Okay? Ukunu so openufo. Ukunu o se openufo. So what you say? O sister na o suma man be didi matem. Uwie ya o san de me number e man frɛ me. Mu wie ya mo ba court ho e be didi matem esere me nen reply na me de ma do. Samuye de mu ye nyina o mu nja me frɛ o. De mu ye nyina no mankasa but enyumre maboabo anu na me de bro. Enne akwa dye uti yellow. See we den yellow man. Kin yellow man. And then ubese udi white na efu oti mu bese udi sie ntini we are young girl. Ukunu so openufo. Osi me nufu ya de fe. Hwe nsama me ka on social media dey. Ukunu on back to me. Minim. I know your husband will never come back to me. No be amegu ni mu asi so beba. The intention was never to disgrace your husband. Now so adia mode ye me no let us amode hamadrin. Ene ma me start say me yes videos no. Na videos am here na video ye didi obi kuno. Wa be na ben na behu nani mu ase a obesa asori akoba ni fie. I know say your husband is not coming back to me. So what you say? Na ukunu oso openufo the way our phone na we ni ma afia wan wise so pro no. Ni e sure say no phone kra 100 da ho flat se chale wote. No phone no I flat se chale wote. Me see me so enche bia expiring date be kame. Enche bia na expiring date be kame but see na enya nka me no phone me enjoy ni kakra. Nti se be ya. See ano, you see your plastic surgery. No phone no so ya flat na etigu ha. Ukọ ni etwa no phone efro na ya se peja ba bedu baby. Enu sa no ofiri ni nyina be ko se na ye ma ofiri ni nyina be ko. Ati nti ko na no phone ye ntwa ye fe bi ntare ho. Na wo wi a numeduro Pinoplex anase apitamin ko pedo na num slim efe we are slim efe na say there wa phone na didi ukunu echi no o traffic is no ko Ghana odi nechi o fa ha odi nechi we say o man the briefing space please ukunu no mpel ukunu on back to me nimpa say ukunu you na our background menje no because oba obekumi the media here ukunu so oba mi feel how obekumi. It's me cry, I will not open my door for your husband. I want to let you know, say, I am not interested in your husband. And by the time me try say, me can't send you down with your bar here or he made a statement, a funny statement about you. Or say, yes, ukunu say, wa unko unso amu bimba. Me bisa ne say na we no ho say onu a onko no so mo bimba kire say ukunu edi wechi edu ba fi ha no Sanka me obi am ye crazy. Na me fast can am dey wo. Wo no share na odo ba sanka me nku. Na dey ahye me because penny freedom. Wo kru na wo tata no penny freedom. Inti mame you take your eyes off me because me person who kun grab me. Ma muti Facebook amuye video say me person me gidi kunu sanka me person me gia. I can protect your man say the be protecting our warrior. So what you say? If I wanted him to come and marry me, I wouldn't have protected him and to allow the baby to remain in the white man's name for him to continue to enjoy his marriage. I don't know moya idea, munjin, mukasa. I said issue and I said kerosene ejina mutim when I'm with the kasa. Oba fun oba tan to say o. Aba be jan e didi matem say oba fun mi oba fun fun mi oba fun. Say the one born so no sana o sha me one born so. Madam wo dem do be see let me continue with my story. I intentionally wrote some points here so that I will not forget what I'm saying. Now, let's talk about what triggered these current videos I was doing. Who be say who DNT and me start to say me yes our videos no. Empemu growing na me dey better abonten no. Who be say who? And there be here o there. Me dey picture about to Facebook. And I'm me call court. Some me dey pictures about to Facebook. And no, me use pictures in the free hall. You could be asem no court. But me ya usanfa who sister ya why say eyi Gary Botto I dey nsu eguso. Gary Botto Gary aya sandi nsu eguso. And I odi wechi ba na mbesre me ya mankasa. You could be asem ni no. Court say we do fear me delete pictures. Me delete videos. Me delete bibia. And you know say me delete bibia. So we need. And I was starting to say Stella who sending me letters. Who sending me letters? And that could be me hear a voice message this sending will say. Meaning boy be on him computer mo pa or your computer literate. Apart from that, no on him internet mu ye pa na obetumi aboam ye delete unyama no. Like but it's a bit expensive. And I'm saying share with boss say me kran metumi aboam na metua scan bi ama. Papa, me kan na manka. Papa me delete pictures no me delete and I say me delete so ni say me delete here me san promise o say memo obi aboa ni delete pictures in amanka na afa die aden akola no wa unfre no wa unbesra no you don't care about the child you don't do anything for the child now me I'm planning to have to take you out of my mind that we are no match me letter now lawyer throw me letter and I me catch up me friend that ko me nyan kukudo friend lawyer ni catch and say I don't have anything about you on my page. Na mukwa na makwa screenshot na mu dey send court. Mukwa na makwa screenshot, mukwa profile page so a. Na makwa screenshot no enu nya mi page o. Nti ma papa me pa shop ha. Dey wo ya me no enye. Anso ho a. And last year, I think say October or November. And me be a live video. Me be a live video. I dey pa obi a cho say anka be ya munye den omu delete pictures na. Obi a mi menya asem a nkrofo e do mo page a support me no bi sam be pa mo chiro so mo delete pictures yi na no mo share video so mo ka video
efu mi in a way bi ntino de bia menya asem a na mi da be to Facebook
mo ka video we
menya asem about naming ceremony no bi yen wo video because na my heart broken na mi pena asem pa na mi pena asem ko ba da share ha. That's a yen deporting me. Na ye bella ma wo ni tina mi ti abroche ha. Enti bella papa no matter the AC bia onya mi boni o. Naming ceremony na wamba and am I broken hearted. Enti no Bella's father enye bella papa anka mi no ka say anka ye deporting ya no Ghana. Se enye bella papa and can Ghana.
Video with me here in the last year.
It's no matter what I am me.
Me a video with last year. And I'm the power be acho. Oh, muja here.
Am I head no? Me to me just idea so any Trinity time. No way. Me didn't know but I can't do that. I have conscience. I don't attack people with insults when they offend me. Me can't be bad at share my drink. Na ma ka de enti ade a wo ye ye no eye mi yasa
And I'm talking about social media and me joy me come. Mommy ngege videos na you know because of broken heart am nya you know. So delete some videos ni through page ah. Who lose bibia? You will not lose anything. Nipa be brave video against me bani papa no. Enti me pa mo cho. Sanka mo betumi a chopper and I'm ready to win him. Sanka mo betumi aka mo delete that videos no every Facebook and my why. Anka abeya me there. It's me a video way last year, I think October or November. And I'm a deeper obia cho say mo delete papa ni videos. Enti no ose won peme. Fine. Akwala no so won pa akwala no because yakwa DNA test no, won sa akwala na oba. Won pa akwala no. Fine. Me ni broni akọ back to court ho because me hu say na person obi mu kwasia. I tried to cover up for you but you didn't appreciate me. It means so broni ni sasa yen ko na akwala no. I want the child to go back to the father. No child support. And I me ni broni ni call court. Any come make complaint say na broni ni menini na anti na menini jaye na me fa wo e na nyinsem ba anti me ye confused na broni ni ko sign ma me enu nti no fisi aye ho akora ne papa DNA test ni e na court ni bi sa me say na papa no uni ni ya DNA test no mo age akora na so abaso beji ni ba na me si debi and I'm see you then they will take the issue up into court ni Christ expecting you as in court responsible man no so uni ni akwa DNA test na won say akora ne ya oba no anka you will come forward and take your child. And every video I made, you know, and I'm not coming to look for a father for my child. Nipa bebre mama ti asiye say me per father for my child I should look for a husband, not a sperm donor. Advice ni na metie. Enti Joyce, mama tina ha say me ba ni papa no on samba meje ni ba. No. But assembly are very important are trendy and I'm person me di tuja. One last thing. Last year mo hwa asem na me babeka no papa ni nim se asem na me ka ne ntro eni ntino me be bongosua last one. Where is the egg? Mikita mi se mo kosua mi se mo kosua le kra me no ensanso le kra me no asem na me samba botui me ba be bo asem bi so asem ni very sensitive enti se me boa Nkosua enya me samoti ase I'm not lying. Those of you who are laughing say nkosua no any way no insane nye snap no whether it is snap or not it is still active. Egg is life. Papa asama me beke unim say eyewo na waka kire me. Me Joyce nye ntro na me twa. Me ntwa ntro ngusu emfa mpehwe. Nti me di nkosua na bo ha me di nsa egusu yi. Se me be twa ntro a nkosua me chi bi rekra enyame that me dey inside the kama no bia no enkumi and you know say I am not lying. Don't joke with what I'm doing. You might be thinking say I'm joking but I'm not joking. I'm damn serious. Ana papa uba me fi ha ube ka kire me say wo yare bi wo ho Aku is dying slowly. And as Yabeka say, Ama is dying slowly. And I'm saying, Yari ben. And I'll board each room. And I'm saying, hey, how long near na wo yari unya sa yari no? And I'm saying, for 11 years near na who say, wo yari no. Papa, Maka say, we are me. Edamitrimu. Uye na block me. Who block me na me ba ofie say waka sem bi ati say a kire me ade na block me. Let's deal with the issue. One kasa. Several months later na be ka kire me say asem na kan no boa. Am be say me take issue ni up. We busan phone nyina ka kire me say I shouldn't mention it to anybody. Please. Say who per say we di madwin edi agra. If you want to play with my mind, Don't play with a subject that I am a guru in it. Subject if you are finding nyina me to me dran dom wenim a treaty subject no nya no na do ba play on my mind. Who catch me say who HIV no. And be say how long in ye? Now catch me say 11 years in ye. In some way see ye nyina no. Blocking or blocking me ye nyina no. You say the blocking didn't start from the naming ceremony. The blocking started when you told me of this kind of disease that you have. Now so asem I kwa ebe nyina no. In bonds with you bia. Na ye den na akofa lawyer e wo Facebook. Mami a wa say hippopotamus. Say medical ka say. Program me be ya ni Ghana nti no. Obi ni me be de wi a. Onya de opa wi a. Na wa ka bibi atumi so na wa fa ho ana okọ. Wa kan say ma kire me. Me mo so ntire obi a. Me be boss video we akire mo. Na me be say asem we me yi me hu free. Okay? Me be say be yi me hu free. Nti me be say me bo video no na mutie.
Yo koye. Be ni kunu no ba ye no woni. Some say wadada guys okay. Wadada no okay. Be say wadada guys say ne ye no so no woman wadada. Oba ye no pe say yesu ade do ha. Okoye na woni joy. Ko ye no mkoye age test na be ma ne no ba ni na nya age ni bi. E na wo se wo bo na ade hu. Obo na ade hu ba. E na wo bo na ade hu ba.
Mo frem mi wi a mo sa program no be wa o.
E to wo bo na ade hu ba.
Mo tie ma me ni bi.
Ko na wo ne joy ko ye no mkoye age test na be ma ne no ba ni na nya age ni bi. E na wo se wo bo na ade hu. Obo na ade hu ba. E na wo bo na ade hu ba.
Muntie bio. Muntie de mameneka.
Na woni Joyce ko wo ye na omkoye age test na be ma ne na oba ni na nya age ni bi. E na wo se wo bo na ade hu. Obo na ade hu ba. E na wo bo na ade hu ba.
Muntie for the last time.
Okay. Be se wadada Joyce say ne ye no so no woman wadada. Oba ye no pese yesu ade do ha. Okoye na woni Joyce ko wo ye na omkoye age test na be ma ne na oba ni na nya age ni bi no. E na wo se wo bo na ade hu. Obo na ade hu ba. E na wo bo na ade hu ba.
Yo. Inti mati asana mameneka no. Me baba ma no papa etnae. My HIV programs. I have done a lot of programs. I have traveled everywhere. Educated people on HIV, but I realized that the people I was educating didn't learn anything at all. So anybody that dies in my family, or even if a dog or a cat dies in my family, somebody will say that the cat or the dog died of AIDS. So if you have come to tell me something and you want to pull yourself out of it, why not use common sense? Why do you have to go to this woman? Ubeka chire me say when yasa ama is dying slowly we no. Ubeka chire me no. Na me ka chire say me koye test. Na me koye test. Na me ni woni madam fu bi e share or hospital bi. Na me dey result ni ma o. Share dem pe bia mo nya me. But I will not let history repeat itself. Me my history and repeating hu bi o. Time me ba prince papa yare ya. Bidini Chinchin hospitals here first, yako Kaneshi Polyclinic, yako hospital bia wa Dakuma, and yako Koko Clinic. Hospital bia ni wa besi udu na besi wa yenyo HIV test. Now, even if you have headache, when you go to the hospital, they will even do HIV test without telling you. Nobody goes to hospital with an unknown disease without the HIV test being carried out. And then you came to tell me such an information. You gave me such an information. What were you supposed to do? To convince me? Me muta pass cramming to him. Muta pass down me can. Me no be born come on me can. It is a pregnancy book. A Ghana, when you are pregnant, you have a pregnancy book. They record everything in it. It is a local hospital or Kromha. Ya ready a one who be no. They write it in the muta pass. Into better me, then you have to convince me to give you my muta pass to see whatever I wanted to see in it. You didn't do that. But rather, when I realized that you wanted to play on my mind, I played along. When you were trying to play on my mind, because Joyce Abe is programmed that. Baba be program that into no bia ya de me wan ya anya asa the ace ni ya de ato me so biom na ne pa no aroro ne nsa na okọ. It will not happen again no. HIV stigma no. So me recourse through na me besi from krana still the stigma will be on me. Whether I have it or not, people will still stigmatize me, and I know. Those who believe I don't have it, they know. And those who think I have it, and it's up to them. I am not here to convince anybody, no. You did all this. Now we try when mama me where papa that video phone way. Papa. And I told you. Me did result in the metro we no. And nature o sa me catch me say. Ya re na o ka so wo no obua. Obua e no kre. Wo. And na me pesa me catch o say e no kre. Wo. Let me give you one thing. Let me tell you one fact. Let me tell you something. I educated you for so many years. I'm going to I want to tell you something today. So we are Bema, and I saw your bar. Now we shall be married. So if you don't want to get infected with HIV, I want to give you just brief education about HIV. Eh? Mami na kofani so mbe sa program funwe no wase okesi no. Eh? Wase okesi no. I will not sit here for another person to come and die again. Na ya sa fa mbetu me so say me makakokun obi. So what you say? I will not let this thing happen to me again. I'm pulling myself out of this saga. I am pulling myself out of this HIV issue once and for all. Who sound with China some catch me say ubua and I'm saying makwakoye test no da betro. And it's a ubua dia. Kwana kwaye test na fa betro me. Besi ne, nti na start say blocking. Who the test na betro me? With the last year July am a year test no de betro no. Who can say ukwakoye wo de da betro me no papa? Who do result betro me ana? One fa betro me o. And I can hang obi on Facebook say on be kan kire nkrofo say woni me wo ye no and I woni wo yire kwaye ACE on say there's nothing called ACE test and I woni wo yire kwaye ACE test and am hu say mu ni bi nti mu bom ho ban fidi en ho nti me ni me ban ye o yare o nti mu bom ho ban free ho you will not go scot free. Ma mo friend mu jam pa mo cho ahoma me program na yes you are distracting me. You are not going scot-free. The business is here or Hamburg. We in our phone. Me suspect him. What said our in our phone? Me suspect him say Hamburg chrome na mono. Munim pass some will be na. We didn't know up or one with you. And I also with the corner of PAP and some move on cottage. What's me bring me HIV? You cannot infect me. Please, I may have to block you. You cannot infect me. I'm telling you today. You can't. It will no ejuma kwaye no so no odi bia brewo said dear mama kona kope edro na nom maka chro kope Pinoplex kope apitamin pe edro bi nom na pe edro bi na factory to ho na echine bi owu a ya meka say me Joyce am di ace abayemo. I don't have anything to infect anybody. Me babela ni yellow book no kwada hen. You are the biological father of this child. In this person who saw or Arabia, and one say, Joyce, for Korani book, Mammy Namishum, and Konya of fast and to me so. I will not let history repeat itself, never in my life again. This will not happen ever in my life again. Why do you have to go this far? Why do you have to go this far? You see, I'm not saying, who need be. To protect you. Sorry to disappoint you. Dear, sorry to disappoint you, sir. I want to give 1 minute education on HIV prevention. With what I know, minim say nipa time me. Enti no, obinya, obit me dia babe me. Enti my eyes are wide open. You play on my mind, I play along. You play on my mind, I play along. I'm telling you today. There is something called pre-exposure prophylaxis. Take pen. If you are watching me, take pen and write these points down. Find a specialist. And your Dr. Bia and him about HIV. Compare doctor on him about HIV. Because Dr. Bia was special area or treaty. Let me just read about two comments. I just want, somebody was calling me. Thank you. I just want my husband to watch this to warn him. Please, those of you calling me, let me just allow me when I finish. Announcer said you can call now. Let me tell you one thing. Do you know what is called pre-exposure prophylaxis? Pre-exposure prophylaxis. And Madam Rebecca said, Papa need to AIDS test. Test be anywhere friend AIDS test. Papa, Mommy, why I said hippopotamus? Why I said chamber and hole? Why I said dying? There is nothing called AIDS test. Let me educate you this evening. Mutia video.
Say what that Joyce, okay. What that done, okay. Best what that Joyce, I send you no son no woman what that done. Or buy you no person you see and do ha. Or call you now on the Joyce go you know mko ye age test na. Be man no ba ni na nya age nibi no. E na o say wo bo na ade ho. Obo na ade ho ba.
It's mommy, there is nothing called AIDS test. Test be anywhere see I friend AIDS test. Yes, auntie, any class as any bill.
Joyce, I send you no son no woman what that done. Or buy you no person you see and do ha. Or call you now on the Joyce go you know mko ye age test na. Be man no ba ni na nya age nibi no. E na o say wo bo na ade ho. Obo na ade ho ba.
One say the wire when we ya bia we ya the Facebook live no. Say my yesa one can me so come and see me so that. Some matter some na make an say. Into prophylaxis, pre-exposure prophylaxis ye draw. Say wo sika, uni sika kwa ya kwan fa so ayenya. So only obi be share, we be share na say wo obi a umpe condom a wo de bia fa so draw no. Wo be fa e draw ni sa. No. Umpe condom, no problem. Wo be fa share nipa ni say ni HIV no say if he cry na, you will not get it. You cannot get infected if you are taking pre-exposure prophylaxis. And we have what is called post-exposure prophylaxis. Post-exposure prophylaxis in here say unu obi ada na ebia within 72 hours no. Oh. Within 72 hours no. Ebia when you information be say bia na de pano e wo bibi sa. And no ba fa within 72 hours you take it continuously for 28 days. So pre-exposure prophylaxis is medication that you can take to avoid getting HIV. Even if you have contact with people with HIV, you will never get it. But you can get gonorrhea if the person have gonorrhea. You can get syphilis, you can get chlamydia, you can get genital wart, anything. But it will protect you from getting HIV. I know too well. Another thing I want to let you know is something called reinfection. Reinfection. You can't say reinfection now. Just say, obi enya HIV. And our sansa konya another HIV aboso. Nkrofo sa no omo munche. Because HIV the omu different type. There are different types of HIV. So when you are infected with HIV and you don't take good care of yourself, you are not taking any precaution, and you are still sleeping with people without condom, you are not protecting yourself. If you go and get another kind of HIV in addition to what you already have, and you have double infection, reinfection, people like this normally die very early. If you want to know about HIV, if you want to know how to enjoy sex, if you want to continue to enjoy sex without condom because you do not want to get HIV, I know what to do with you. I know what kind of medication to give you, and you can live. You can enjoy flesh to flesh, bone to bone. Madam, next time, if you want to take a topic and deal with it, do not come on my page. Do not use my name. Never do this kind of video, this kind of dirty video for me again. And again, I'm taking myself out of it. How much for? Apana ebe fi ma bongo si ya o. oni me asema make am ono an e ba ha me fe ya be ka kire me so wo yare we bisa ni say how long ni and also work for 11 years. Yes, obi say HIV ambassador ampa. Ambassador na me ye no. I have gone for training, I have gone for workshops, Ghana, UK, America. I know too well. You cannot come and confuse me. You cannot come and play with my mind. I'm back before. Wow, papa be catch him say oh was I railway. And I'm say for how long? And I say 11 years ni. And I'm say wow. And I want can't tell me the data. And I'll block him. Me bisa answer question happen or block him. Upon my phone fear 2 times. First time and me could be saying about HIV asem no. And then me clinking bell no. Nya ni na bi emi onu na bi emi. And also me nsa. So yan no dey me call. Chi say bi obi betumi ehun no. Nya ko gina ho kasa ya. And I'm be fie. Story bia no secret wo. You will never get a full story. Say the papa no ote baby onu ni te baby a. Omusumsum profeti komu ko video mu ko ese no. Wetimi asuma ujire ni akitu ama na be video edidi matem. Akaje wi asa fa nya sese ni se. Uwie ya asama ba wasa kwa kofa mami ya. Why sak chamber and holy. So on no be educative about HIV. Sem oni mi uwie ya na onu ujire ko ye munya test bia papa. So my HIV test am be say me yi me hu free sa asem we mu. And I'm not saying say ubewu. And anya mi na meba ka say ubi bewu. Owo safo an nya mi na ekra me. Na embom e china semuti na me yes video we. So we di kan akwa man fa manie a. And I'm person me bana me Facebook live na me yi me hu free say be too wo hambo krom we mu a. I'm not responsible. As someone says, Joyce, indeed, you know about HIV. I just googled the oh, you just googled it. HIV, no, Messia, I chewed, I swallowed, I have done everything. I'm telling you, HIV virus crown. Have you seen HIV virus before? When you go to an HIV testing center and you go to get tested for HIV, they look for the antibodies. Anything when your body, when a bacteria or a virus enters your body, when a bacteria or a virus enters your body produces an antibody. Your immune system, no, it produces antibody, no, then it will fight that virus or bacteria. In this own HIV now, it made the idea before HIV test, no, they either take your blood, they look for the antibody. They don't look for the HIV virus, so they don't look for the HIV virus. They look for your antibody. The HIV and Kasano, people have not seen it with their eyes. Now I catch them say, on any require AIDS test no when you check cleaning cross is in training Jimmy ebi. Training Jimmy or that or when in the year or that on Facebook. So you want to educate me on HIV and AIDS? Who shall me to where I will bet me about the HIV Mimi Joyce. Who need me back one? Yeah, you steady. Doris said, wow, Joyce, you are really an HIV/AIDS advocate. Who said anything if I'm ambassador? You didn't call training. I testing me. Testing is you stand in front of the crowd, you speak. Now you who say who educational woman, you are doing it well before they gave me the position. Until next time, it's only be kokua. Prepare home. You're steady. The topic no need someone to me handler. Not even go close to it. I hope so I have not forgotten about anything that I'm supposed to say. I think, sir, time call. I don't want to bore you with too much story. And now, so we person of frame here. Now you can call. You can call now. A lot of missed calls already. I've taken myself out of this issue. I've taken myself out of it. Some people don't know how Joyce is learned and exposed. Yeah, so Yaba Ama. Edem Mawina. Okay, Obiafre. Hello.
Yes, sister.
Yes.
I do a Facebook live.
Oh, I'm still on live. I'm still live. Never?
Not do Komiakono.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
See ya.
Yo. So, I'll just read few comments. Obi say on point, my dear Joyce Mensah. Edward says, Obapa, don't mind them, okay? Yeah, I will not mind them. O pese uni obi ye bibi wie na on penny bi na pese o tru ho a nko pass am ntune so go silently. And a man is saying, almost saying, me too. What's saying? Oh, a Princella Chumwa says, I'm a nurse in Royal forever UK. All what you are saying is totally true. Yeah, thank you. Same is young one day. Okay, mommy pick it call way. Hello. Yeah. Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Madam Kasa Fincherry.
Okay, Kasa is here. Yeah.
Bonzano.
Yeah, Ambassador Kasa.
Yeah, so what can be I saw can be as a it is a woman no put in that. People been to Japan why you don't want to gather in this is a very
yo, una ni break it. Jina ye na afre back why me too nkakra why. Quite a not offer and maintain I had to cut him. Sorry, some makato why me too nkakra. Obisa Joyce, where did he dear? I cooked Ozafi. It's my favorite too. Obisa Queen HIV and Kasana, maybe a HIV guru. Be a new if I HIV one meaning, maybe an ad enough many ever be who. Me nam no my bomb who buy in am. So I say, because I know people hate me. Obi nyam boni obedi mi. Nti papa no akaba catch am so wo yare na wasen twa no. Akakwa Facebook, ama obi akwa program. Eyi ni ho efiri me no de enye yie. Oyi hu firi me enye yie. Mi na me baba yi mi ho efiri. Echine bi. Nti Hamburg for echine bi bitu papa ne yire na. Yire na minim say yare ni na ma na phone san ni I don't know. Uncle Pedro no onye de onum. Opa on ba meboa no. Madam, come, I will help you. The way you are growing lean is too much. That man muba mi fi hana mi share on mu na hu cry me mobo. Muba fi hana ka muba be kumi na mi hu mu no na hu cry me mobo. Hey, I pity you. I pity you pa. Nipa no the color is calling again, but this one it's here for na ahwefo. Oh. Then better me catch am when they say. Some mo ye programs, na mo free program asia. Sansem na mo kan say na Joyce ma me no join ni kunuma wo. Me mpeno. You see am to me like cry advice me. Me bia me kunuma papa no de sika me wo me na me ye ni den say me don it. Oh, they be this kind of love. I me pick it call away. Ade asampa nti me pick it call away. I me pick it call bia bim. Hello.
Hello, Joyce next saying.
Me pacho ye now so
Ache yo. What's up now? Na se upolo ya defend no bebre but on services and our business and person ojai eno obi na di assemble no eno no tie eno no so be kan so oba address ono oba kan dia one do assemble address.
Hello, me pacho mami bre musisi a asem na be kan no unim say it has a lot of negative impact on me and my child. When so kan me pacho me ma wakasa. I say, only Joyce call we are on any require a test now or moon some way in your no some bomb who buy. What I say? I said, me name banning the wire. Instead of be the assemble brown as I assemble yet sensitive. Assemble fire area one. Then I also decay here. Not just say, and me didn't tell my fatano. It's a friend. Me by address it. Me by address it. I'm not coming to address. I will not address it.
Me friend program to my me throw the program to say more want to do Joyce at them because Uncle Ben man there so more attack Berman because Berman na ba Joyce.
Papa, so who follow me pa when we send me a program only send me the item I say the tell so I become. So him sir.
Joyce one and kasa minimum.
Entino say yare about same ni mu na sa kola ka ho na oba besia wait me the camera see wenim I to me cancer say mu ya to obi so say
so
why I said die no why say chamber e ho no ma me na why no hu seketu nu me pa cho bye bye why me da se pastor of friend me twin sign bye bye I'm a brother say massa caller stop that she's your sister and so Kumi Van Dam says exactly. Nana Efia Abrefi says, call her, stop it. Oh, I say me banner sorry, but to be sure, but I have to. Yeah, who is speaking? What?
Hello, Joy.
Yes. Good evening.
Other night to say.
Me patch me who you now swear.
Your friend is Rookie. My name is Rookie.
Rookie, okay.
Now who are there?
Me patch me who you now swear.
Okay. Joyce, unim no crab ako.
Nitie.
No crab say. Sometimes you let go of things not because you are weak. But for your own good and that of your daughter.
Yeah, I don't want any stigma around me again and that of my child. So what the man did to even give this kind of information for somebody to come and say, because the man and the wife are not infected, that is why they want to protect themselves. It is an indirect speech. It is an indirect speech against an innocent child, not only me. You know that?
If you don't respond to the negativity, it won't get to you. You have a beautiful daughter. Waste your time on her.
It's a good advice, no? Okay.
Think about your own future.
Okay.
Your profile better has nothing to do with you.
Okay.
If you are saying obi eni wa yanka ne ho asemboni o. At ukase ubedi etira, you will get lost.
It's
now,
true.
Profile na omo yen, they will succeed on you.
You are right. On that part, you are right.
Ade ayokosu nyina 20 years akola no obeba behu. To enenu you are telling people your pain, but tomorrow akola no ebia obeti wo pain na ase. Anasa akola no be feel say you have disgraced her enough.
Yo, it's okay. Me pacho, we cannot talk for long in Midasepa because once I did some Obi Shakran, but our chat is sweet. Let me just take one last caller and then I'll end the show. Thank you so much for calling. Advice well taken.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Me fa just last two people. Just last two people. And come here say na nke be kasapa, but akara no why not be so on that? Instead I have to just end the show. Hello. Can you please speak? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Joyce.
Yes.
That is saying.
Me pacho ye na swear.
Na me adom. Asam na ho kana no ana no. Because nipa nye. Nipa chi modern.
Yeah.
Inti so mo dey too so na wo defend ho, that is the right thing. You are doing the best.
Yeah.
Keep up.
Thank
Keep
you.
up doing what you are doing.
Don't
let anybody bring you down. Everybody has his name to protect.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Keep it up. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Me ba Prince Papa. Time no yare. Me di Nichin Hospital. Oh, me ba nyane. Obi no but see ade. We jiga. Yeah. Akana me yesa nke be kasapa but the way anyama ne koni de. We may have to end